Hello, good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about daily routine. I get up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I say morning prayer and make my bed. After saying my prayer, I take bath. I have my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then I revise my lessons. After finishing my lessons, I get dressed and take preparation for going to my college. Then I take college essentials and put on my socks and shoes. After that, I go to college. In the afternoon, I play with my friends. Playing is an important exercise. It keeps my body fit. After playing, I return home in the evening. Then I finish my homework and complete my lessons. Sometimes I read short stories, I watch television. I like to watch English cartoons. After watching television, I have my dinner and I go to bed. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.